Today we're gonna make some really great comfort food. I guarantee. All right, that's a bad Cajun accent, sorry. What do you want? I'm German, okay? But I tried. We're gonna make jambalaya today. We're gonna start with a tablespoon of oil, a pound of andouille sausage. I'm cheating and I'm using turkey smoked sausage because truthfully, I prefer the taste. But that's up to you. You can use any sausage you want. And I'm going to be using 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 yellow or a white onion. You want to chop that up. And then I've got 4 green onions. They're all chopped. 4 cloves of garlic minced, 3 ribs of celery chopped up, a green bell pepper chopped, 1.5 teaspoons of dried basil, 1.5 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. I'm using slap your mama, okay? Don't really slap your mama. That's not nice. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I just want a little bit more spice. Also a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes and 2.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm choosing to use low sodium, a little bit healthier. And I've got my white long grain rice, which I've already rinsed and drained and ready to go. Now that you've seen all the ingredients, let's get to work. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm preheating the pan. I always preheat the pan before I put any oil in. You should too. We want to use about 1 tablespoon of oil. All right, we're getting a little bit of smoke on the oil, which means it's ready to go. Let me separate all the chicken here so we're not cooking or trying to cook through other chicken. We'll get it all on the pan. Let's check the other side here. Yeah, we've got some good color on both sides. Now it's time for the sausage. Again, we're on a medium-high heat. And we want to brown this sausage. Okay, time to put the sausage in with the chicken. We'll put it in a bowl on the side. First thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that start to melt a little bit. Okay, butter is sufficiently melted. We're going to add our flour and make a little roux. Okay, stir it real well so that we know it's completely mixed. All right, we're going to add all of the vegetables now and saute them. 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add the Cajun seasoning and our basil and our kosher salt. And I'm using a little cayenne pepper just to give it a little bit of a kick. What do you say we do some fresh ground pepper? Fresh ground is so much better than already ground, not because it's snobbish, but because you're not getting all the fillers and the garbage that they put in with regular pepper. Now let's start getting this wet. Then go the tomatoes. Okay, we're going to add the rice and chicken broth. The meat. Yes, we're going to get lucky. All right. I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I am so proud of this dish. I really am. Jambalaya. Bad impersonation of Newman, right? Anyhow, if you try this recipe, please let me know. And by all means, we could use your likes, and I wouldn't be bothered if you subscribe to the channel. That would help us out too quite a bit. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, take care.